Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the Scalping Strategies and then you will find here one video called the Best Forex Scalping Strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading session video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So actually guys, today we are still trading using the Fibonacci retracement along with the trend lines and support and resistance. And right here I'm actually on the 50-minute time frame. Actually, to be honest, I was really planning to place a sell order right here at that previous level of the support, exactly at 166.330. And if we check the left side, of course, it was also a real level of a resistance. But unfortunately, the market has reversed just before reaching my entry point, and it went in about 34 pips. I mean, it's a bummer. I really feel so much annoyed with it. It made me really feel upset, but what happened. The setup has been lost. Anyway, let's now continue analyzing the market and let's see now what we can actually do in our trading session. So I'm actually switching between the pairs, and let me check the pound CAD. No, I don't like that. Let me just continue searching, guys. Actually, right now it's 12:49 p.m. Dubai time, and that's actually a good time to start trading. The market is really active and it's running in high volatility. I believe we can find a lot of good setups right now, especially of course the pound is alive because the UK session has just begun like 1 hour ago. Let me check now the AUDCAD, AUDJPY. So far actually nothing really that good. Oh, wait a minute, AUDNZD showing us something very interesting. Let me check the Fibonacci retracement first of all, just to be sure of my entry. Yes indeed, we are actually now between 50 and 38.2. And of course guys, I have explained before in many videos on my channel the strategy to trade using the magic of Fibonacci retracement. Let's add the trend lines to the mix. So I'm going to draw here a support trend line, and check this out. The market has indeed respected those levels, and it has actually made a perfect reversals on these levels of support trend line. Now, what I will do next is using the magic of support, the magic of trend lines. What I will do is simply drag the same support trend line and just place it right there at the next support trend line right here. As you can see, the market has actually been ranging on that level. However, it seems like the market is unable to make a bearish breakout from 38.2. It's most likely going to be a bullish one, especially that we are seeing that the market has made here a reversal from that level of a support zone, which was previously also a resistance. Indeed, we can actually start buying the pair right now, 1.4 lot size. Let me just check. It might actually fall for about 3 pips only. Totally fine. I'm totally in it. Let's place the buy order right now. Fantastic. And I have placed it. And of course, guys, notice the spread for the pairs because, of course, I'm using IC markets. Yes, because, of course, I'm using IC markets. As you can see, guys, the spread is very tight. Even for the gold, check this out. The spread is just 0.5. It's ranging between... It's actually ranging in less than 1 pip, which is really fantastic if you want to make scalping sessions like the one I'm doing here. So as you can see, guys, the trade is already running into a profit and most likely it's going to continue the rise, and our take profit level has got to be placed just right there at the nearest resistance to our entry. Exactly. There lies our nearest resistance to the entry, and of course the stop loss was placed right there to be equivalent to the take profit level. Now again, the reason for this entry, guys, is first of all the rejection to break out from that level of a support zone at 1.08920, and of course that the market is indeed respecting that level of a support trend line. We can see that the market has actually made here 2 attempts to break out from that level of a support trend line, which means that the market has only one direction to go, which is up. I have full confidence in this trade. Actually, I feel that we should have increased the lot size, but that's totally fine. Let's just aim about, I think, 90. $86 from this trade. It's totally fine. We can actually open another trade if we find something good, but that's gonna be risky. Let me just do that to avoid the mistakes. Reduce the lot size to be 1. Let me just check the pairs. Euro pound. Actually, the market is really running in high volatility. Lots of volatilities. Lots of them. So far on the 15-minute time frame, I cannot actually find anything at all. So far, nothing is really trusted. Let's see right here. Again, back to the pound pairs. Oh, this is the one we checked earlier, just like 2 minutes ago. It went in 16, 17 pips. Yeah, actually, you cannot really trust such kind of price actions on the 15-minute time frame. Anyway, guys, to save your time, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I open another trade, and we will see what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright, guys, so actually this is a trade I'm willing to open on the pound NZD using purely the price action, which is also another video on my channel you need to watch. If you go to my channel and open the playlists, you will find another video called Forex Learn to trade the price actions. And actually, look at the 1 hour time frame. This candle, guys, is gonna expire in just 45 seconds. And as you can see, on the 1 hour time frame, the candle is gonna close like a hammer, and most likely it's gonna be a weaker candle. And we can tell that this level is so weak by looking at the many wicks that we had right here. Not only that, if we look at the 15-minute time frame right now, actually, guys, this candle, when I resumed the record, this candle was looking like that as an inverted hammer, which is actually a good indicator, or actually a good sign that we can start selling the market. Let's see now if it's gonna close like this. It's gonna be a different story. Actually, it's also a full bar. If it closes as a full bar without a previous support on the left side, that's actually gonna be good news. Yes, place the sell order immediately. Immediately place the sell order, immediately in profit. Immediately in profit. Fantastic, fantastic. The stop loss can actually be a little bit higher. Risking $111, $120 of loss. Okay, so as you can see, guys, that is of course one of the things I said also in the price action video. Actually, that price action is even better than the inverted hammer. The reason is we are having here a twin candles. Once you have actually a twin candles, it's usually indicating for a fake breakout. Now, since we actually have seen this on the 15-minute time frame, plus the 1 hour time frame candle has also closed as a pin bar like this, so meaning most likely, guys, that the market is indeed now gonna continue the fall. Now, that is actually gonna be good, if only in one case, if there was no previous support on the left side. For example, what I did right here, you cannot do it if there was right here exactly a previous support. What we are seeing right here is just a previous resistance. However, the market has actually failed to break out from that level of a resistance, and eventually it has actually created here a fake breakout. Now, since there is no support on the left side, that means that the market is not going to be able to rise at the moment, and the only one direction to go is going to be to the fall. Therefore, I have full confidence with this trade. Actually, it's going to surely continue the fall. Look at that. The candle is desperately trying to rise, but I'm sure it's going to fail. There is absolutely no support on the left side to rely on, and there is definitely not a single price action that can help this candle to rise at the moment. This candle is going to continue the fall, that's for sure. There is absolutely no doubt with this signal. I'm so happy about it. It's surely gonna give me some profit. The previous trade, however, this one right here, as you can see, is still ranging at the entry point. So let's see now what will gonna happen. We are risking here $109, and on the other trade we are risking 117. That's gonna be enough. Actually, I cannot open any more trades until one of these trades expires. So let me know, please, guys. Look at that. The candle is falling. I told you it's gonna continue to fall. There is no way for this candle to rise at the moment. It's impossible. Anyway, let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these two trades. And as you can see, guys, it's running in profit of $85. So for running in 17 pips of profit. Oh my, it will hit the take profit level. $90 of profit. Fantastic. Let's take it and accept it. It was excellent deal. I told you guys, there is no way this trade is gonna fail. It was really obvious that it's going to be a winner, since we actually have absolutely no support on the left side to rely on, that this candle is definitely going to continue the fall after the appearance of that fake breakout. Excellent deal. I'm so happy about it. Back to the AUDUSD, still running, still ranging at the entry. All right, everything seems to be running well. Let's again increase the lot size to be 1.3. All right, let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording and I'll be back to you later once I find the next trade. Okay, guys, I don't have time to explain. I'm going to place the buy order right now without any delay. Let's now risk the profits that we have just made from the pound NZD. All right, and the take profit level is going to be placed just right there at the nearest resistance to my entry. Now let me explain to you the reason behind of this trade. Now let me just explain to you guys. If we look at the left side, actually, first of all, here on the 50-minute time frame, we're having here a resistance level which has been broken out from with that bullish candle, bullish breakout candle. Now let's take a look at the left side, and as you can see, indeed, the same level was a very strong real level of a support. So meaning there is a possibility that the same level of a support is now gonna be respected. Let's add to the mix the Fibonacci retracement. And as you can see, if I draw a Fibonacci retracement from this higher low to this higher high, we can notice that my entry was exactly on 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, which is really good, which means that the market is definitely gonna continue the rise. And as you can see, it's indeed rising. Look at that, the candle is indeed rising. So most likely, guys, we're gonna end up actually in a very good profit with this trade. So I think that's about it. And we can actually even add supported trend lines if you wish to. As you can see, indeed, even the support trend lines, guys, it seems like it's being respected. Therefore, this trade is also very trusted and most likely is going to end up in a very good profit. The main thing that I'm relying on is actually the retest of the broken level of a resistance to become, of course, a new support. Now, it's important to mention the take profit levels. I'm not saying that the market is now going to continue flying after reversing. Not at all. All I'm saying is that the market is going to make a reversal upon the pressure from the previous resistance and is going to actually reach the previous level of a support or a resistance before it's going to make any further movements. It actually might fall down. It might continue the rise. I don't care, as long as I'm actually trading this pullback right here, which is going to happen upon the pressure from the previous resistance. That's my strategy, and that's how I actually making profits from trading Forex. Anyway, let me know, please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. My friends, check this out, the power of 61.8 Fibonacci and the power of the trend lines along with the previous resistance. As you can see, indeed, the market is rising, it's going into the profit, it's giving us right now almost $80 of profit. I think I'm gonna close this trade so soon because the market has already reached right here a previous level of the support. It also hit 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, so most likely now we can close it in profit. I think we can accept it. $85. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Sorry guys for screaming, but I'm just so excited. I just feel so happy when I trade wins like that, and I'm actually on live account and on recording on YouTube. If you want to know the struggle that I'm living, you just need to do it and post it on YouTube. You will know what kind of a struggle, guys, I'm living. It's really just not easy at all, and I just feel victory. I mean, I feel the victory when I open a trade and it's winning right in front of you, and I grow the account slowly, hopefully to reach $4,000 by the end of the day. Of course, it's really difficult. It's very hard. And by the way, in this occasion, I want to say that I'm never winning every single week. There's no way that this is going to happen. Some weeks, actually, I fail. I remember, I'm not sure if it was February or January. There was one week I lost more than $800, and it was really a bad week, and I felt so bad about it. Yes, that was really bad week for me. So indeed, guys, some weeks I'm actually really fail in my trades. I cannot actually win every single week. That's just simply not possible. However, thankfully, the winning ratio is much higher than the losses, and thankfully we're actually able to make good profits. Now you might tell me, but Salah is only showing the winning trades on his videos. I tell you, this is so untrue. You can review my videos, guys. There are so many videos where I actually have failed and still recorded and uploaded to YouTube. But of course, we have recovered the losses. Just trying to find something decent right here. Actually, we're having here something good. Pound NZD again is at it. As you can see right here, we are facing here a previous level of a resistance, which seems like it's going to be respected after that. That support trend line has actually been broken out from with that bearish candle. My only problem is that level of the support has not been broken out from. If this candle right here, this strong bearish candle, if this candle actually was bigger and broke out from that level of the support, then I would actually have placed a sell order. But since actually the market did not break out from that level of a support, it means that there is a possibility that the market is going to continue the rise and break out again from that level of a support trend line. Therefore, this setup right here is so untrusted. Let's just avoid it. Anyway, guys, let me know, please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you once I open the next trade. Okay, guys, honestly, I need to close this trade right now. Let's get done with it. It has been long, actually more than an hour. And as you can see, the account is finally above $3,500. Of course, I will continue trading. But the problem, guys, is there is actually not much setups right now. I keep checking over and over, and the market is right now is not really in good condition, to be honest. And I just don't like it. I cannot actually even find many setups. I'm gonna continue trading after like maybe 1 or 2 hours, because right now actually I gave up to find anything. No matter what I do, I just cannot find any good decent setup. So anyway, guys, again, I want to insist actually that the purpose of these videos is never to show off my ability in trading, not at all. I want you guys to learn how to find the setups and how actually also to avoid some of these setups. For example, the pound NZD, I think, yeah, it maybe was the pound NZD, where actually I was planning to place here a sell order. I told you that we cannot actually do that because the market has not yet break out from that level of the support zone. And that's actually an example of how you can actually avoid the false setups. So I hope you guys have learned something from this trading session, how to find the setups and how to avoid the false trades. I think that's gonna be it for now, guys. The video is running in 17 minutes. That's enough, actually. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop right now. And anyway, guys, I will see you in the weekly analysis video tomorrow. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.